This is Green, the lovebird. Look at him. So cute, right? He he hates it when I touch him. N- And I feel like he wants to bite me every time I touch him. Just look at that face. Isn't he cute? He loves to sing. And he's so cute. Hmm. And look at him. He's going on. He's on the sunlight. So cute. And and this is orange. The orange head and the green body. It's carrot because he looks like a carrot. And and the yellow head and blue body. It's violet. Orange loves to play and constantly annoys Violet every time. Look at him. He loves to play. He's so energetic, isn't he? Oh, mm, look at him. Look at Green. He's so cute, isn't he? Oh, look at that cute face. Where he's going? You don't like me, do you? He's staring at me. What? I can't understand what he is talking, of course. Somehow I want to pet him. Look at him. He's mad. Okay, thank you. Bye.